Great. So today we are at the site of The Trillion powered by Experian, near to Subhash Chowk, Sector 48, just adjacent to Central Park Resort. This project is coming to a firm that is 100% FDI funded and 100% debt free. Also, if we look at the previous deliveries through this developer, be it Vinchance or Westerlies, they have done pretty good in the real estate market of Gurugram. Acquiring a fixed number of land parcel and working on the same with pinpointedness is highly commendable approach of the developer. Now coming to the project, the chosen location itself gets a 5-star. Why so? Number one, the accessibility of schools, colleges, hospitals, metro station and shopping complexes within few minutes of drive. Number two, no other high-rise coming in 1 to 2 km of the radius of this project. And number three, living just adjacent to an uber luxury condominium which is high demand in the market. So what they're actually bringing? 3 crescent-shaped towers of G plus 45 elevation coming in an area of 5.5 acres, promoting 3 pillars of quality, comfort and style with international design brands like DPA Architect, One Landscape and Grey Matters. The project is set to add another episode to this superstructure series of NetGeo, just like it did for Vinchance. How about the specifications? So the apartments are going to be of 3 and 4 BHK with 4 BHK facing the front and 3 BHK facing the resort. And approx 14 meter of curved running balcony through every apartment. Coming to the sizes, 3 BHK are starting around 2800 square feet and 4 BHK are starting around 3500 square feet. Apart from this, you will get 2 car parkings, 5 lifts, centralized water heating system, EV charging, a designated space for school pickup and drop-off, 3 basements, a clubhouse of 1 lakh square feet themed upon a lake forest, and 38 amenities other than this. With a bird-eye view from every apartment, glass facade covering 75% of the condominium and 74% green area, you can't believe at the prices project quotes. What's the price? Let's find out. So the per square feet price of this project is 20,500 with a ticket size coming around 6.2 CR. Also, they are coming up with an attractive payment plan of 20-40-40. That means you have to pay 20% on the booking and rest 40% goes around 2.5 years. Don't you think buying such luxury in this location with this pricing could be one of your smartest moves in buying an apartment till now? If so, pick your phone up and call on the number. So if you have liked this video, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel.